Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and I'm here with a late night unboxing of a device I'm super excited about. Now this is a device I have been probably waiting for not just years, but decades. I have never been an iMac owner, and this will be the first iMac that I've ever purchased in my life, and I will show you guys which iMac that is shortly. But let's go ahead and do this. And this unboxing, I don't even know if it's gonna go well. This is the largest device that I've ever even attempted to unbox on the channel. So bear with me here, guys. It's on the floor, and I'm gonna get down now and lift this flap. Let's see what is inside. And there it is, the iMac 27-inch, and I got the Core i9 top of the line version. I'll go into the specs in a little bit, but what an awesome wallpaper to show when you open this up. I love how they have this kind of protective material here to make sure it comes safe. This device just arrived earlier today, and let's get into the details now. But first, gotta lift this over 30-pound device out of this packaging material. So let's do this now. There should be a handle here at the bottom. There it is. Oh gosh, let's do it. And there we go. Bear with me, guys. This is super heavy. And there it is. Let's kind of put this down now. There it is. Oh man, I'm like working out tonight. So there it is, out of the packaging material. And so I'll go ahead and remove the packaging material, and we can really fully unbox this awesome computer. Okay, here we are, guys. Here is the iMac, and I'm going to do this from the top because, as you can see, kind of like the iPhone, there is a little plastic kind of edge that you lift up, and I should just be able to pull this off in one go. So in 3, 2, 1. Oh, that feels even better than unboxing an iPhone, I tell you. And let's look around actually at the packaging. So we see here, we got the main image of the computer on the front, but if we flip it around, we got the back. And now, considering how long this design has been around, I really do think the iMac in its current form is still very sleek, very beautiful. You see from the side angle here, it looks great. Now, some people have asked, when are they going to kind of update? And I think a lot of that update is related to the front of the device. But honestly, this device still looks and unboxes beautifully. Let's go ahead now, lift this flap, and see what's inside. There we go. There it is. Now let's see what is inside this area here. Designed by Apple in California. If I'm not mistaken, this should be the keyboard. Just gonna slide that out there. There is the keyboard and Magic Mouse. Brand new Bluetooth keyboard and mouse. Awesome. This should have some serious styrofoam protection here. So we're gonna lift it up. 3, 2, 1. And that is really tight in there. Big piece of styrofoam. And you can kind of start to see the actual iMac appearing from inside this box. Okay, so you can see it there that these pieces of styrofoam are huge. You could literally build a small fort out of this stuff. And there they go. So another giant piece of styrofoam and another giant piece of styrofoam, but this one is important because it does have the charging cable inside for the iMac. Put that aside, and there is the iMac. So I'm going to remove the other packaging material, and then we can finally lift this sleeve off and complete this crazy unboxing. All right, and here is the iMac that I got, the 27-inch, 8-core, 3.6 gigahertz with 8 GB of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD with the Radeon 580X GPU, and all that good stuff. This is an incredible computer, and now you see it in front of you right here. And lift up this sleeve. Let's do it. And let's lift this up in 3, 2, 1. There it is. And now we have this kind of plastic material. This is mostly over the display, so the back is completely exposed now. And I gotta tell you guys, this is an insane unboxing because it's on the ground. And speaking of being on the ground, I've been walking all day on the ground outdoors in Disney But I can't think of any better thing to do after a long day out to come home to this awesome iMac. And it's time. Let's remove this plastic together. This is the largest display I've ever peeled plastic off. So let's see how long it actually takes to do this. In 3, 2, 1. And just one little tug should do it. And there it is. The iMac 27-inch Core i9 in all its glory. And can I even lift this thing up? There it is. It doesn't even fit in the frame. Insane. So that is it for this unboxing. I will definitely be doing a more in-depth video on this iMac. And this is going to be my main computer, guys. This is going to change the game here on Frankie Tech. I'm so excited to start editing videos, just making great content with this computer. And I've been using a 13-inch MacBook Pro. Shout out to my wonderful wife. It was an amazing gift last year. I've been using that thing to death. But when it comes to editing giant files, it does struggle quite a bit. So this iMac 27-inch with its decked out GPU and Core i9 processor should be an editing dream. But stay tuned, guys. I can't wait to do the full kind of setup tour and show you guys my new setup once I do have it fully realized. But that's it for this quick video and unboxing, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. So thanks for watching this, guys, and do let me know if you would be interested in watching that setup video. I would love to do it. But anyways, that's it for this video, and this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. Wow, that was the craziest unboxing ever on this channel. Oh man.